To sync your Shopify catalog to Facebook, you need to first add Facebook as a sales channel in your Shopify admin so that the products sync to Facebook. In case you have already done that, you can move on to the next step, which is to add data feed rules to the Facebook catalog. Note that the second step is only required for businesses using a +91 number as their WhatsApp API number. Simply go to your Shopify admin panel and add a sales channel from here. Select Facebook as the sales channel you want to add. Click here to give the required permissions to Facebook. After that, scroll down to create free and paid ads on Facebook and click on Start Setup. As the first step, you need to connect your personal Facebook account to Shopify. In the second step, you need to connect the Business Manager account to Shopify. Please make sure that the personal FB account which you added in the first step is an admin in the Business Manager that you added in the second step. Next, you need to connect an ad account to Shopify. Make sure that the personal Facebook account you added in the first step is an admin in this ad account as well. Also ensure that this ad account is part of the Business Manager you connected in the second step. Next, connect your business's Facebook page. Make sure that the personal Facebook account you added in the first step is an admin in this page as well. Also ensure that this Facebook page is part of the Business Manager you connected in the second step. You can then set your data preferences and add a target country. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Finish Setup. Obviously, doing this sets you up to run Facebook ads for your Shopify products. But what it also does is, it automatically creates a Shopify synced catalog in your Facebook catalogs in your Facebook Commerce Manager. Here you can view the approval status of the products. All your Shopify store products are first approved by Facebook before they can get added in your Facebook catalog. You need to make sure that the available to Facebook option is ticked for the products you want to show in your Facebook catalog and henceforth in your catalog messages on WhatsApp. Next, go to the Commerce Manager on Facebook. You will see a catalog named Shopify Product Catalog appear there. Now, in case you're using a +91 number as your WhatsApp API number, you need to add details of country of origin and the importer details of every product in your catalog. To do this, go to Data Source and click on the data feed from Shopify. Then click on Settings here. Under Data Feed Rules, create a new rule. In case all your products have their country of origin as India, that is, they are not imported, simply add origin_country here followed by IN. You don't need to add any more fields after this. However, if suppose all your products are imported from another country, you need to add the following 4 fields. Origin_country is equal to US or the country code for the country from which the products have been imported. Then provide an importer_name. Followed by importer_address. And a manufacturer_info. Next, click on Apply Rules here. By doing so, all products in your catalog would have these fields added. You can check if your items have appeared here or not. Note that in case you have some products which are imported and some which aren't, then you will need to maintain your Shopify catalog in a Google Sheet. and upload it to Facebook as described in our video here. Also, once you've created your Facebook catalog, it is important to create collections of your products which would make it easier for your customers to find the products they want. You can create collections like this. In your catalog manager, go to sets. We call them collections. And click on create set on the top right. Here you can create sets by defining some filters or by manually selecting items. If you choose to add filters, you can apply filters on any of these attributes here. Make sure you give the set name as something which your customers can see and understand, since these names will be sent to them in the product collections list message. The great thing about creating collections with filters is that whenever a new product gets added in your catalog and its attribute fulfills the filter conditions, the product will automatically be added to the collection. The next step is to add Haptik as a partner in your Facebook catalog, and then connect your catalog to your WhatsApp Business API account. Find out how here.